Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant error code VAL5. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to open up your favorite browser. Alright, once it's open, just go ahead and type in account.riotgames.com. Alright, once done, just hit enter. Now once you're in the login page, just go ahead and log in. Once logged in, you'll be landed to your Riot account page. So what we're going to do basically is just go to the left pane right here and go to login management. All right, click on it, and there's an option here to log out everywhere. Go ahead and click on that, and also make sure once you click on it, you remember your credentials. All right, once the process is done, just go ahead and close the browser, open up your Riot client and log in from there. Once done, go ahead and play Valorant and check if it helps. Now if that won't work, go ahead and open up your command prompt from the search bar. Just type in CMD and click on run as administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just simply click on yes and type in right here ipconfig space / flush TNS. Hit enter. Another one, ipconfig space / release. Hit enter. Another one, ipconfig space / renew. Hit enter and wait for the process to finish. All right. So next, I'm going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. All right, hit enter. Another one, netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter again, and as you can see here, the process is done. Just type in exit to close the command prompt. All right, after that, just go ahead and restart your computer, launch Valorant again, and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your command prompt again. Type in cmd. In here, type in ping 1.1.1.1. This one's from Cloudflare's DNS. All right, wait for the process to finish and type in ping 8.8.8.8. So basically, we're just comparing two DNS servers on which one performs the best. And as you can see here, it is pretty clear that the ones from Google, which is 8.8.8.8, is the faster one. So basically, I'm going to use this to change my DNS. To change the DNS, is go ahead and locate the internet icon right here at the taskbar. Right click on it and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on it. Now once you're in here, locate Change Adapter Options. Click on it and double click on the network that you're currently using. There will be a window. Just click on Properties. Then locate Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Click on it and hit on Properties. There will be another window. So here, if yours is set to obtain DNS server address automatically, well, you might want to use this one below it. All right, use the following DNS server addresses. So as you might remember, the ones that is faster is the ones from Google itself. So I'm going to use 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS would be 8.8.4.4. All right, if the cloud's DNS is faster for you, you might want to change this one to 1.1.1.1. and 1.0.0.1. After that, just go ahead and hit on OK. This one will close. Close this one. Close everything. All right. Again, restart your computer. Once you boot up, go ahead and launch Valorant and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, the last fix here, if your Riot client or Riot Vanguard is running in the background or right here at the taskbar, just right click on it and hit on quit or exit. All right. Then you're going to want to make sure that no Valorant related or Vanguard related application is running in the background. Just go ahead and right click on a blank space here at your taskbar. And then you're going to want to click Task Manager. All right, I'll maximize this one. In here, what you're going to do basically is just go to the Details tab and look for any Valorant or Vanguard related applications right here. And as you can see, I'm in the clear. So I'm going to close this one. Then go to my search bar and type in services. All right. Once this one pops up, go to the right side again and run as administrator. All right. So what we're looking for here is the process called VGC. We're going to scroll down until we'll find the process called VGC. And there you have it. So once you have it located, just go ahead and right click on it and go to properties. All right. If yours is set to manual right here or disabled, you're going to want to make sure that you click on the drop down right here and set this one to automatic. Once done, hit on apply. All right. Once you hit on apply, you're going to want to start the status right here or the service. Click on start. Once it's all started, close this one, launch Valorant again, and that should fix the issue. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.